So you're at a point where one decision can shape the next 40 years of your life. The intermediate results are out and now the real pressure begins. Most students blindly run behind CSE without knowing what it is or what's really inside it. Today let's go through all the hype and presentation. This is the A to Z of engineering. This is a survival guide. Let's start with the heart of the storm, computer science. Everybody wants it, but most people will fail because they build their skyscrapers on sand. To be an elite engineer, you must master the core. It starts with data science management systems. This is the software for storing and guarding the data. You must master SQL. It is not just about writing codes, it's about organizing information, so it can be found instantly. If you cannot handle a simple query or explain how to keep the data safe, you're not an engineer. Next is the logic of how we build software. You will learn to organize your code just like real life objects, so that complex apps are easy to build and easy to fix. You will study how a computer actually works, how it manages memory, how it uses power, how it prevents crashes. Finally, you learn the secret language of internet, how computers talk to each other so fast that you can play a game, stream a video, or send money across the world in a split second. Now imagine a world where systems don't just follow orders, they learn from the past to predict the future. This is the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is an algorithm-first field where you build digital brains that allow computers to understand and reason like humans. It is packed with heavy, high-level mathematics, probabilities, statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. You will be building neural networks and training models that process massive amounts of data and find patterns. But listen carefully, this is not for everyone. If you hate math or find abstract logic boring, stay away. Chasing this branch just because of the hype is a mistake that would cost you your whole career. This path only suits for those who have a great passion for deep problem solving and mathematical grit. Now, if you don't love the logic behind the numbers, you will struggle. And then there's data science. While AI focuses on algorithm, data science is data first. It is an art of taking a mountain of heavy, broken information and turning it into a clear action plan that businesses can use to succeed. It is a perfect combination of three worlds: computer science, mathematics, and business expertise. You will master tools like Python and predictive modeling to extract knowledge that others miss. Think about a world where every object around you has a pulse, from smart homes to IoT of agriculture. Inanimate objects are waking up and talking to each other. By 2026, over 75 billion devices will be connected, and every single one of them will need an engineer to give it brain. This is an ultimate combination of electronics and coding, using C and Python to program the heartbeat of the future. If you want to bridge the gap between physical and digital, this is your domain. What if you want to protect the world? Look at cybersecurity. India is spending $3.4 billion on security by 2026. You study ethical hacking and cryptography. In this, you have to think like a thief so you can protect the vault. As every bank and government moves to the cloud, you are a frontline soldier in the silent digital war. Your job is to ensure that while the world stays connected, it is also safe. But wait, everyone is running towards software, leaving a massive power vacuum in the evergreen branches, CSE and EE. Let's talk about electronics and communication. Software needs a home, and that home is hardware. India has launched the Semiconductor Mission 2.0 with 40,000 crore rupees. We are building our own chip. VLSI engineers, those who design millions of transistors on a tiny chip, are earning between 15 to 50 lakhs. This is the tech for 5G and satellite broadband. It is a heavy syllabus full of physics, but it is a goldmine. And then there's EE, electrical and electronics engineering. This is the foundation of the revolution. As coal and petroleum die, the world is switching to renewable energy and electric vehicles. If you have a passion for physics, EE is your calling. You will design smart grids and EV powertrains. Let's settle the debate. Robotics versus mechatronics. Mechatronics is the broad father. It blends mechanical, electrical, and software to build systems that move on their own. It is a degree for aerospace and industrial automation. Robotics is a specialized son that focuses specifically on the design and vision of the robots. Mechanical engineers are more versatile and they find jobs easier because they can work in any automated industry. Robotics is for those who only want to build robots themselves. Now, how do you survive these 4 years? Your CGPA will not save you, your skills will. In your first and second year, master C programming and learn a coding language and get your concepts clear, make the foundation strong. Then open a GitHub account and this is the proof of your work and it is your digital resume. And in your third year, get an internship. Stop just relying on your textbooks from the 90s and step into the real company. By your fourth year, your final project should be your brand. Do not wait for a company to save you during placements. Start building your own apps, websites and projects by the second year. Now, engineering is a marathon of continuous learning. The demand is massive, employability is rising, but the market has only room for those who are skilled. Do not choose a branch because your neighbor did. Choose the branch which you're willing to fight for. Choose the branch that you're willing to stay curious for. This is Joshna Reddy signing off. See you in the next video.